Hundreds of thousands of Utahns are at risk of losing access to medical care or paying higher costs.
Right now, Republicans in Congress are planning big cuts to Medicaid with the aim to offset tax cuts. News specialist Daniela Rivera breaks down the concerns being raised by advocates.
I'm absolutely convinced we're going to get this in final form and pass it in accordance with our original deadline, and that was to do it before Memorial Day.
As Republicans in Congress make plans to cut spending, advocates in Utah are worried.
These cuts are going to impact the kids in our state, low-income kids in our state that need it most.
Kids going to the doctor or getting other services through Medicaid, the federal health insurance program for low-income people.
We know that Medicaid is good for kids. 46% of enrollees on Medicaid are children. 18% of births here in Utah are covered by Medicaid.
The program also covers services for aging Utahns and those with disabilities. According to state data from April, more than 210,000 Utahns are enrolled in Medicaid. It's not clear yet how many could lose coverage under the plan moving through Congress, expected to save the federal government $625 billion over 10 years. Also part of the plan, a work requirement. And Alvarez Valle notes Utah's already planning a different work requirement, saying it will help people build a healthy lifestyle.
The majority of people in our state, according to the Department of Health, will either qualify for an exemption or are already working, 90% of people. And so really what we're adding is red tape.
More red tape, she's worried, will make it harder to stay in a program she calls a lifeline.
Whether it's an emergency or whether it's a regular checkup or immunization, it just has been a lifeline to a lot of families.
These cuts are part of a larger tax package, a priority for President Donald Trump. The plan moved forward last week with Utah Representative Blake Moore voting for it as a member of the House Budget Committee. Senator Mike Lee has also spoken up, saying he doesn't think the cuts go far enough. Back to you.
Yeah, a lot of movement back east that is going to impact Utahns. We'll keep an eye on it. Daniela, thank you.